to me, I see everything clear now. 2-4 in the beast. Don't need it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I'm gonna be doing a quick weave today. So y'all, my hair is already freshly washed. I washed it last night and I blow dried it, and I just put it in these buns. I blow dried it and put it in these buns this morning. So y'all, I'm about to take it down, braid it, and show y'all how I'm gonna install this quick weave, because y'all, it is fall. We are going into winter, and baby, those quick weaves will now last. I mean, I hadn't done a quick weave on my hair since probably 2019. And that was for my birthday. I'll insert a picture so y'all can see how that came out. But y'all, as far as the hair, I am using some bundles that I purchased from Amazon. And y'all, I will link that in the description. But y'all, they came in this baggie right here. So it just came in this bag with a wig cap. So that's all I got was bundles and a wig cap. But I got sizes 2/16 and 1/14. But I'm going to show y'all how that looks. And don't forget to shop the Amazon if you really like the look and if you like the hair. And I'm definitely going to tell y'all what I think about the hair, because this is my first time purchasing from Amazon.com. I would normally buy my hair from Studio Tequila if I was to buy some, but this was quicker. It took 2 days. So yes, y'all, just stay tuned. I am doing a middle part quick weave. So I'm going to start by parting it down the center. I'm going to do like a V-shaped part. Basically just took these pieces, twisted into with this, and I'm gonna put a rubber band on it. Now I'm gonna twist it around, and I'm gonna put one of these bobby pins in it. And they're by this little brand, Pin Cat. So I'm gonna do that to this part so I can get it out of the way when I'm putting my wig cap on. You know, I just don't want my hair going everywhere, and I definitely don't want any glue to get on my leave out. Now, y'all, it is time for me to start the braiding of my hair. So I'm gonna braid my hair, mold it to my head as flat as I can, and then I'll be right back. So I am done with these braids. So this is, before I pin it up, y'all, I'm gonna oil my scalp with this oil. I picked this up from the hair store, and you can basically use whatever oil you want to use on your scalp. But you know, since your hair will be in this style for at least 2 weeks, well, that's how long I probably keep mine, about 2 weeks before I take it out. You should want to put some type of, you know, oil on your scalp to make sure it's not dry. So basically place it in those parts and just rub that through. And y'all, now I am going to clip it up, clip these braids up. So now that that's all pinned up, now I'm gonna put on my wig cap, y'all. So you can use, I would definitely recommend to use whatever color hair you're using as a wig cap. I'm not a professional, but that's just what I think. But I'm gonna use this wig cap because it's the only one I have, the only color I have. I would definitely have gotten a black one for sure. But, I mean, it's not going to be showing. The tracks are going to be covering this up. So, basically, just place this over your head and try to get it over your ears, because you want it stretched as low as you can. And right here, I mean, I can kind of see through it, but I still want to, like, mark the spots. So I want to make sure that the tracks and glue don't go over my leave out, you know. So I'm gonna basically mark the part so I can kind of see where to stop.
My baby, my Valentine, yo. Can I you make you my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive.
I have that all mapped out. I can start laying the tracks. Y'all, this is the 16-inch bundle. I'm gonna start with this. I washed it and laid it out. And this is how it dried. This is the state it dried in. So y'all just stay tuned while y'all watch me lay these tracks. But definitely when you lay your tracks, you want to start like right under here at the nape and then come up over your ears. So my first tracks are going to be super long. They're going to meet up here. They're going to come from way up here to all the way back there. Because I want the middle part, but I also want the hair to kind of like flow in my face. And I'm going to put some type of, cut some type of layers in it to frame my face. So y'all just stay tuned for that.
Can I you make you my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, your love ain't it, don't leave me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Nobody never can she open up, make I see what you're my love, 160. If you make it bad, I'm single.
Right now it is going pretty well, and I already know how I feel about the hair yet, but like I said, after I put everything in, I'll show y'all how that looks. But y'all, hope that I really love it. And I forgot to tell y'all that you can put shielding glue. So it's like a shielding covering on top of your wig cap, and basically lay that all over the cap and, you know, let it dry before you start laying the track. It's just like a protective covering. But y'all, I'm kind of good with, I've done with doing my hair like this. I've done it like this before, and it's all about how you take it out. So you have to be real gentle when taking quick weaves out your hair, because that glue can rip your natural hair out. So we don't want that. We don't want those bald spots or, you know, that breakage and all that. So make sure you use a really good conditioner, and, you know, you be real gentle when you're taking quick weave out, because y'all, this is glue. If you're not a patient person, I would definitely recommend you going somewhere and letting them take out the quick weave, you know, a professional. But yes, y'all, I'm going to finish laying this, and then I can't wait to show y'all how it's going to look.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is something yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
want, I get you what you want. But you want me alone, girl, maybe I'm acting. You fill me up, and now I'm standing out. I get you what you want. But you want me alone, girl, maybe I'm acting. You fill me up.
So y'all, I am done with the quick weave, and y'all, it is so bouncy and I love it. It's definitely gonna be flowing. But y'all, it looks like my natural hair, which I'm fine with, but y'all, just look. It looks so good. And then, like I said, I think I'm gonna keep it in for 2 weeks. And that's because I work out literally about 5 days a week. So hopefully it lasts through all the sweat and, you know, pulling it back in a ponytail and all that. So, but y'all, this hair is, as far as the density of it, it wasn't that dense, but it's definitely a good density for a look like this, a natural look. But if you want to go for a higher density, I don't remember if they had a higher density on here on the website, or if they actually showed what this density was. But for what I have done, it looks pretty good. And I mean, it was easy to install as well. The welts were easy to cut. They weren't super thick. And I mean, I think it looks really good. But drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about it. And also, let me know what hair vendors you use to purchase your weave. I've seen like Love Me Hair and Kalele, I think that's the name of it. I've been thinking about purchasing hair from them as well, you know, to start doing different styles to my hair. I'm trying to get into not really messing with my natural hair, because I've been transitioning for about a year now. Well, it's actually been a year and a half. So over a year and a half since I've been transitioning to natural. So I'm at the stage where my hair is super thick and I really don't know what to do with it. So right now, my go-to styles would definitely be like braids, quick weaves. I'll probably get back into wigs. I've worn wigs once, but I just want to get into different things and, you know, uplift my style a bit more and, you know, change it up. So, I mean, I can be a different terror. But yes, y'all, that is it for this video. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
To me, I see everything clear, but now 2 4 in the beast. Don't need